Tastes just like Santa's feet.
Salt. Pepper. Oh yeah!
Hey, 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 hey! 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 Oh, it's dripping! Oh! Oh! Guacamole. Oh, I didn't season the patties! Why? No! Why? Why? Are you kidding? Ow! I'm gonna put it all on, man. Oh. We're going all of it. All of it! Oh. 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 Paper towels are ready? Good Wednesday. There is no Carl's Jr. anywhere near me. There used to be one in Florida and it closed. I don't know why. And we're calling the Santa Fe sauce Santa's Feet. There is a recipe on Reddit. I tried to follow it. It wasn't so great. I wasted a lot of seasoning. Paprika, smoked paprika, onion powder, lemon juice, whatever. I tried it all. We went my way with the Great Value French style dressing. That's got a lot of depth. It's got a lot of flavor. Oh, I wanted to load it up. This is going to be one messy mofo. We're going to try and eat it. All right. Holy crap-a-roly. Double guacamole. Bacon cheeseburger. Inspired by Carl's Jr. Let's do it. Let's try to eat this thing. I think I should have put it on a bigger plate. Too late. Is it too late? I'm afraid. I'm literally a little afraid. Okay. We've got Santa's Feet sauce, green lettuce, tomato, onion, burger, pepper jack cheese, burger, pepper jack cheese, bacon, guacamole, and Santa's Feet sauce. All right, let's go in. Oh my God. Holy. Oh, all right, here we go. Oh, oh. I can't believe I actually got a bite. Hey, their picture showed a lot of guacamole, and I know that's not how it's served. Boy, that's good. Oh, I have no idea how my sauce is figuring in on this right now because of all the guacamole. I'll try and take another bite. It's all in the back here. It's all coming out the back. Double guacamole bacon burger. It is double guacamole. That's a lot of guacamole. All right, here we go. Gotta hold it together. Hold it together. Oh. Wow. A lot of paper towel. Oh, the bacon. Love the bacon and guacamole. My sauce really does mix in. Can't really taste it, actually. Maybe I can. Maybe the mix of my sauce and the guacamole, I'm actually tasting a little bit of spice. Very little. Boy, is it coming out. It is coming out the back. Maybe we should try to take a bite right here. just to get rid of some of that hanging over here. Let's try that. Oh, bacon and guacamole. Oh, this might be my messiest burger yet. Look at that. Look. Oh. I usually get a pretty good sear on my patties, and I didn't today. I almost bought fresh ground beef yesterday, but it's over $7 now. It's $7 and change for a pound of ground beef. I'm just saying, that's really bad. All right, it is the end of the world. This is an end of the world burger, my friends. Thanks for joining me this Wednesday. Don't talk with your mouth full, Mom. You know what I'm going to say. What am I going to say?